Welcome Grandpas, this is me, Grandpa Rudo, doing super fast tutorial on rental housing, so I don't waste your time. Let's get to it. How to rent a house. Find a rental sign like this, double click it and pay the rent. Every rent house has a static rent which has to be paid before 30 days expire period. If you fail to pay the rent, all items from house will be destroyed. The maximum days you can pay in advance is 90 days. After opening the rental sign, there are a couple of options. Set the name of house visible to public, change owner, pay the rent. In management there is eject someone from house, reveal hidden mobiles inside house, number of available locks, unlock item. Locking system. Every rent house has a specific number of locks you can use. If you put an item on ground and don't lock it, it will disappear after some time. Inside options there are set house co-owners, set house friends. Only owners and co-owners can enter the house. If anyone else wants to enter the house, you have to add him as a friend of house. The third one is transfer ownership to someone else. Change master key, which will invalidate all keys. Set a key to open doors. I wouldn't use this. Create a newbie key. This is a preferred way of creating keys for house. Inside the house you can use couple of text commands. .housing unlock to unlock single item. .housing lock to lock single item. .housing unlock all to unlock all items in 2 tiles radius. .housing lock all to lock all items in 2 tiles radius. .housing reveal to reveal all hidden mobiles. .housing eject to eject someone from house. .housing add to add a house friend. .housing remove to remove a house friend. Most of those commands can be found in top bar as well, so you don't have to write them. To place an item like trash, anvil or forge, you have to get a deed. To destroy a placed deed item, use command .demolish. If you want to change rotation on item, use .flip. There is also a decorator item which you can buy from engineer for 1500 gold coins, which can help you adjusting item position. Use carving tool to name your containers or color wooden chests with rare tubes.